morning and welcome to another Trade of the Week video here at Platinum Trading Academy. We've had a decent week with some intraday market cap trades triggering as well as long-term analysis on the USD JPY currency pair. But before I show you the trades, let's take you to our floor for those viewers that are new to our videos. This is what we call our trading floor, which our clients have lifetime access to. There's plenty of articles here, charts, intraday analysis, as well as fundamental views for the major pairs. So as mentioned, we had some decent market caps trade triggers. This is what we call our intraday trading. These are flagged up here on what we call our important trading zones of the day. These are the areas of the market we expect, should the market come to these areas, a bounce of 25-30 pips going back the other way. And these numbers here, they're automatically replicated on our algorithm. So let me show you that. There you go. These blue lines that clearly say important trading zones, we match them up to our buy and sell zones of the day. As mentioned, we expect a reversal. So the first one came into play at a bit of a wait actually until Wednesday on the USD JPY currency pair. Came in there and reversed nicely. So that was the first one we had. We had a couple yesterday. This was on the Aussie. Came into our zone around about 6,770 and reversed quite nicely again for 20-25 pips. And the third one also yesterday was on the Kiwi. As you can see, came to our important buy zone and literally kissed it and reversed, went up sort of 30-35 pips. So from them three trades, you're talking about 60-65 pips, which is pretty decent. You have to be disciplined and patient to wait for the market to come to us. And as mentioned at the start of this video, we did have on the USD JPY currency pair, this is the analysis that we gave on what we call our PTV, which is our Platinum Television. We broadcast there twice a week, and if the viewers can't get there live, there's recordings there. We clearly flagged up here a shorting opportunity on the yen. We're heavily overbought, and this was matched up by the Nikkei 225, heavily overbought as well, that sold off. There you go, it was beginning to sell off, and as a consequence that put downward pressure on this pair this week. So again, there was an easy over 50-70 pips from that trade. So you're talking easy 80 to 100 pips for being disciplined and patient all week. So if this is the sort of thing that would interest you, you can go to our webpage at platinumtradingacademy.com. There's plenty of strategies here, blogs, trading videos, you've got webinars. If you click on that red tab there, Forex Trading Workshop, one of our members of staff will get back to you. And if you want to test drive the system, no problem, 24, 48 hours, not a problem at all. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.